Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drone cameras of 2025 that you absolutely need to check out. Whether you're a pro filmmaker or just love capturing stunning aerial shots, these cutting-edge drones offer incredible performance, crystal clear video quality, and features that will truly elevate your flying experience. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the product links in the description box below to learn more about each drone. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Potensic Atom 2, a powerhouse in a compact body. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 is travel-friendly and doesn't require FAA registration, perfect for spontaneous adventures. What sets this drone apart is its 8K photo and 4K HDR video capabilities, powered by a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor that captures rich, detailed 48-megapixel stills and smooth 4K 30 frames per second footage. It features a 3-axis gimbal for stabilization, while its f1.8 aperture and advanced 4-in-1 pixel technology ensure excellent low-light performance. At number 4, the DJI Flip combines safety, portability, and stunning visuals. Weighing under 249 grams, it skips the need for FAA registration and is built with carbon fiber full coverage propeller guards, ideal for beginners or indoor use. The drone's 1.13-inch CMOS sensor captures crisp, vibrant 4K 60 FPS HDR video and high-quality stills even in low light. Next up at number 3, we have the DJI Air 3S, a true hybrid of power and performance. Equipped with a dual camera system, it features a wide-angle 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K 60 FPS HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, making it perfect for vibrant landscapes and moody low-light scenes. It offers panorama mode, 45 minutes of flight time, and an extraordinary 20-kilometer video transmission range. At number 2, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a professional's dream. Its camera system is developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, featuring a massive 4x3 CMOS sensor capable of capturing 5.1K HD video. With a flight time of up to 46 minutes, it allows for extended shooting sessions, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing via APAS 5.0 keeps it safe in complex environments. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a fan favorite that blends power, portability, and intelligent features. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly travel-friendly and doesn't require registration in most regions. The Mini 3 Pro shoots 48-megapixel photos and stunning 4K/60 frames per second videos, supported by dual native ISO and AF 1.7 aperture.